right, it's February, which means if you want to plant onions from seed in Central Ohio, it's time to do it. I just wanted to show you how I do this for the Garden of Hope. So this is a flat. It has 128 little compartments in here, so we can plant a lot of onions in a small space. This has pre-moistened potting mix in it already that I have gone through and really pressed down, refilled it, pressed it down again. Now I'm ready to do my onion seed. So I'm going to make just a small little divot, okay, where I want to put that seed. Onion seed is pretty small, and as you may or may not know, the depth that you plant seed generally relates to how big that seed is, okay? So you usually only want it to be planted about twice as deep as the seed is big. I'm trying to do just one per cell, okay? You can see how tiny that seed is. And once you have that planted, it needs to be covered. I have a nice vermiculite that I like to use. It'll be nice and lightweight and just give some nice coverage to the top of that. You could use potting mix as well to cover that with, okay? So as soon as I have all these cells full, this will go into the greenhouse until those plugs are ready to be planted outside right around the beginning of April.